Now we have to discuss about the hybridization involving s and p orbitals. So there are one s orbital and three types of p orbitals: px and py, pz orbitals. This is the px, this is the py and pz orbitals. So we have to discuss about the intermixing of s orbitals with these three p orbitals. So that is sp hybridization. sp hybridization. So we have to intermix only one s orbital and one p orbital. One s orbital and one p orbital intermix to form two sp hybrid orbitals. sp hybrid orbitals. This phenomenon is known as sp hybridization. sp hybridization. Okay, one s orbital is in spherical shape and one p orbital, px or py, pz. So this is the general concept. We have to take any one of the following orbitals. Okay, this is s orbital, this is the p orbital. Both are intermixed. How many orbitals are intermixed? Two atomic orbitals are intermixed to form two hybrid orbitals. The hybrid orbital is represented as like this manner. So hybrid orbital possess one large sized lobe and one small lobe, and in which two types of two sp hybrid orbitals. So this is sp, this is one sp. The arrangement of these hybrid orbitals: this is one sp hybrid orbital and this is one sp hybrid orbital. Both sp hybrid orbitals are oriented in exactly opposite to each other, and the angle between these two hybrid orbitals is 180 degrees, and the arrangement of these hybrid orbitals is known as linear. Okay, the shape of the molecule involved in sp hybridization also possess linear in shape. Okay, so what is the molecule in which the central atom possess sp hybridization? That we have to discuss. So what is sp hybridization? One s orbital and one p orbital intermix to form two sp hybrid orbitals, and this phenomenon is known as sp hybridization. So we have to take one s orbital and one p orbital, and both are intermixed to form two new orbitals. So equal size and equal energies. So these hybrid orbitals are represented as sp and sp. Okay, then next, each sp hybrid orbital consists of 50% of s character, 50% of s character and 50% of p character. Okay, if the molecule in which the central atom possesses sp hybridization, so that is linear in shape. Example: BeCl2 molecule. This is example for sp hybridization. Okay, In BeCl2 molecule, beryllium is the central atom. Now we have to observe the electronic configuration of beryllium. So the atomic number of beryllium is 4. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. This is the ground state electronic configuration. This is the 2p ground state, and we have to take excited electronic configuration. In excited state, this electron shifted into p orbital and makes it s and p orbitals having one unpaired electrons. This is one s orbital, one p orbital. Okay, one s orbital of beryllium intermix with one p orbital, each having one unpaired electron, and produce two sp hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals also having two unpaired electrons. Okay. Now these hybrid orbitals oriented opposite to each other. Okay, and each having one unpaired electron, to which in BaCl2 molecule two chlorine atoms are overlap and forms sigma bond. Okay, so we have to observe the configuration of chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So observe the electronic configuration. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 3px, 3py, 3pz orbital. Okay, the 3pz orbital of chlorine is assumed to be like this manner, and which has one unpaired electron. So two 3pz orbitals of two chlorine atoms involved in head-on overlapping with sp hybrid orbital of beryllium and forms. This is the beryllium, this is the chlorine, and by overlapping of 3pz orbital with sp hybrid orbital of beryllium to form sigma sp p bond. This is also sigma sp p bond. Okay, so resulting the formation of BeCl and BeCl bond. The angle between these two bonds is 180 degrees. The shape of the molecule is linear. Okay, so this is the example for sp hybridization. So for sp hybridization, we have to take beryllium chloride. BeCl2 molecule is taken as example, in which beryllium is the central atom. The electronic configuration of beryllium written as follows, and we have to take excited state electronic configuration. In excited state electronic configuration, beryllium possesses two unpaired electrons, and s orbital and p orbital with unpaired electrons involved in the hybridization process, and produce sp and sp hybrid orbitals. Each sp hybrid orbital of beryllium contains one unpaired electron. So these sp hybrid orbitals are arranged in opposite manner, and these sp hybrid orbitals also involved in head-on overlapping with 3pz orbital of two chlorine atoms, and resulting the formation of two sigma bonds. The nature of sigma bond is written as sigma sp p bond. What it is? sigma sp p bond, the angle between these two bonds is 180 degrees, and finally the shape of the molecule is linear. Okay, this is about sp hybridization and example for sp hybridization. This is very important essay question in your intermediate